When you combine these three websites I'm going to show you now, you're going to be able to make between $50 to $100 weekly performing online tasks. That is if you have the time. I'm Solocommunications from Solocommunications. Let's go there. What's up guys, welcome to this channel. Here we talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing, tech, and everything you need to know about starting an online business. So today I'm going to be showing you three websites that you're going to combine together, combine your earnings from these three websites and be making constant between $50 to $100 online. Now it is not going to make you rich because you might not be able to have all the time required to be earning all of that on that site unless you are a stay-home mom, but you are going to be making money that you're going to be using to solve little problem. I'm not one of those guys that will tell you it's going to pay you 10 million, it's going to pay you 50 million, it's going to pay 100 millions. No, because you are not the only one working there, and there are little tasks that you have to perform and make money. I want to tell you that these websites I'm talking about are legitimate websites that have been tested and proven to work. So how does this work? Now, on that site, some of the sites you're going to perform tasks, perform survey, answer questions, play games, install and test apps, and basically watch videos to get paid. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to always know when we drop videos like this. I hope you have done that. If you have done that, then let's go. All right, the first platform, the first website is called Timebox. So basically, go to Timebox, click on this sign up button here. When you click on sign up button here, all you need to do is to input your email, your password, repeat password, then to do the robot test. You can even sign up with your Facebook account. Now here you basically get paid to post to Facebook, watch funny view funny slideshows, play games, install app, test apps, and complete micro tasks like watch videos, like perform simple survey. Now Timebox is very popular. In short, it is where I started from. The very first micro task web platform I ever tested is Timebox. So among these whole three, the best is Timebox. Just that it is now somehow their payments has dropped. Before, their earnings were making sense, but because people are trooping into Timebox, their payment has dropped. So go to Timebox and sign up. What I'm telling you is for you to combine these three, your earnings here. If you have all the time, maybe you don't have a job, or you are a stay-home mom, or you have a long break, or your free hours, you can just be doing it and be accumulating it. So Timebox is the number one on the list. I don't want this video to take time. I just want you to know that it is working and it is trusted. See, there is nothing like scam here. All of them are tested and trusted. So number two on the list, before I talk about this number two, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, you have to make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Thank you for bringing me to 1,500 subscribers. Please, we can do more, and please share this video. Like this video. The more you like this video, the more I'm motivated, because the more the algorithm will see the video as important and push it to more and more people, and I'll be motivated to create and make more research for you. That is just it. So the next on the list is called Ysense. It's called what? Ysense. Look at it. I'm going to drop the link on the description bar. I'll drop the link on the description bar, so you just click on the link and get signed up. When you sign up to Ysense, you are going to be paid to just go to offers. That is where you're going to find your tasks. Look at it. So there are several companies who are bringing their videos here to be watched. So all these things, it works like for the video platforms. A YouTube creator can come to the platform, pay them, maybe drop like $100 and tell them, be paying people to be watching my videos. That is how it works. So they would break the money into pieces, 0 and 5 cents, 3 cents, 10 cents, and they'll be paying people each time they watch the video. That is how it works. So it's not like there is something so special about it or something fishy about it. So these are companies that has work for you to do here. So you can just go look at your survey profile and so on, daily pool. You understand? So if you just go to offers, you are going to see a series of tasks that you have to do to. Now they have an affiliate program. So if you refer people, let me show you. when you refer somebody, you are going to get paid for that referral. So it's one of the ways to make good money from here. So become Ysense affiliate and they share Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. Earn up to 30% recurring commission on what your referrals make. So if you refer somebody, anything, if the person makes $100, you are going to be making $30 from that money. You understand? It's not like they are going to tamper with the person's money. No, you are going to be making it as a commission for bringing the person. Do you understand? So the more you promote, the more you earn. So look at my referral link, which I'm going to be dropping on the description bar. Now if you register with this my referral link, you are going to be getting a commission for each referral that becomes active. You will earn sign up commission of 0.1 cent or 0.3 cent from selected countries. Now once the referral in their first $5 excluding commission and bonuses, you will earn $2. Now if you sign up with my referral link, you are going to be getting a commission. Very important. So here is another platform that is amazing. So you can watch video, you can complete survey, you can do daily polls and so on. The last on the list is paidwork.com. So when you come to this site, just click on the register button, click here, register, and then you are going to put in your email, just your email and your password, and then they will send you a link to your email. You just go and verify your account and start working. So let's log in. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, you can see here. So I just created this account to show you. I have an account where I used to test it, and I think I have about $7 there because I made sure my younger one was testing it out for me every day. So I created this particular account just for this video. You can see it's zero earning, zero balance, 000. So look at how it is. So that is how the website is. So what you need to do is to click on Earn. When you click on Earn, you are going to see task that you can see play games, watch videos. Let's watch videos. So these are videos from creators who want people to watch the video. Look at this one. So you earn by points. Each 100 points is $1. So one video can give you 1 point, or one get to play game can give you 10 points, and so on. So if you watch the video, you are going to view the task here, and make sure you have downloaded the paid app directly from the Google Play App Store. So that is it. So the app is available on Android and iOS. So all you need to do is to download Paidwork, install it. You can see the icon, install it, and then start working. Look at it here, Paidwork. Download it, install it, and start working immediately. No waste of time. Then they have a referral program where you are going to be earning money too. You understand? So this is a referral program. So if invite a friend and someone from the internet to earn money on Paidwork. If the person makes their first payout, you both get $10 for free. So anybody you refer and the person cashes out, the two of you will be giving $10 each. It is working. So go download Paidwork and start earning. Now finally, when you combine these three sites, you're going to be making between $50 to $100 every week if you are serious, if you have the time. But listen, if you don't have the time, in short, we don't advise you that to have these platforms on mind that you're going to be rich, you're going to buy a car from the money you make here. No, it's a micro work website. You understand? It's a micro work website. So if you are looking for how to start making money online, that from home you can start a business at home and start making money more than people that leave their house, then we have a program for you. Let's go. Let me tell you about the program. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more things like this. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to start an online business in 2024. I'm going to be revealing. So that is more reason you should subscribe to this channel. Let's go. Let me tell you how to make money online. That is where we are going to be ending it up today. My name is Solomon Chicks from Solocommunications. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I want to thank you. And if today is your first time of dropping here, please go check. We have more videos like this. And if you're interested in starting an online business, let me tell you something you don't know. Making money online involves two basic things. It's either you have a product or you have a service to render. After these two, the next thing is how to sell it. So you have to have a product or a service. We are talking about starting an online business, not making money online. This is just a means to make money online. We're talking about starting an online business that will stand the test of time. Now, if you are interested in this, we have packed packaged and compiled a program titled 7 Days Affiliate Marketing Marathon, where we're going to be teaching you content creation, affiliate marketing, and how to run ads. Now, the content creation is going to help you learn how to create strategic contents to sell your product as an affiliate without spending money at all. Now, it's also going to teach you how to create contents that will help you grow on social media platforms so that you can start having brand endorsements. Like last week, I got an email from an AI company to make a 45 seconds video for $1,000. This is because I've been able to grow my TikTok account to more than 100,000 followers. So they now need my services to post their business there, and they pay me a huge sum of money for just a 45 seconds video. So you're going to learn how to grow your social media account to that level, and also how to create strategic content to sell your affiliate marketing products. Now, in that program, you're also going to learn how to run Facebook ads. Now, if you want to make quick sales online, you are going to achieve that through paid ads like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, and so on. You're going to learn how to do that to be able to sell as an affiliate, sell the product. So if your product is, if you have a product that is $20 and your commission is $10, that means each product you sell, you make $10. So you need just 10 sales to make $100. And with paid ads, you'll be able to achieve that in one day. In one day, you can achieve that. So if you want to learn how this works, how to start a profitable business that can make you between $500 to $1,000 every month, then go to the description bar. You're going to see my Telegram link. Click on it and then meet me on Telegram, or you see my number, dial the number, and you're going to meet me, talk to me, and you're going to get access to the products. I'm Solomon from Solocommunications. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Let's see you in the next video.